Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Elite. And today we're going to be working on the CFMoto Z-Force today. We're going to be changing the oil in the side-by-side today. Pretty quick, simple process, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, we're going to get the side-by-side jacked up in the air. I got on 2 jack stands. I did take off the rear tires. They are 17 millimeters, so go ahead and take those off. That'll give us access to our oil filter and just some extra assistance in case we need it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and get a drain pan underneath here. We're going to crawl underneath the vehicle and we're going to go ahead and take the drain nut out. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so we're up underneath the vehicle. You'll see there is a metal skid plate. Right in the middle of that is our oil drain plug. You see that nut right there? It's going to be a 17 millimeter. So make sure you have your drain pan ready to go. We'll unscrew that and we'll let it drain. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so we're on the passenger side seat. To get to our fill/drain dipstick, we're going to go ahead and pop open the passenger seat. So behind the passenger seat, you see there's that black tab. We're going to go ahead, pull that back, and you're going to tilt the seat forward and then pull out the seat. So I'll go ahead and take care of that real quick, and I'll show you where our dipstick is. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so we got our passenger seat out. Now we're going to go ahead and take this cover off. So if you put your finger in this hole, pull it straight out, you'll see this cover comes off. Inside this cover is our dipstick. So if you go down in here and if you look, that clear black cap right there is our oil dipstick. While the oil is draining, we're going to go ahead and take out our oil filter. So we're going to go ahead and go on the passenger side wheel well here. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so when we take out our oil filter, you'll see that it's that triangle pattern. These nuts are going to be 8 millimeter nuts. When we loosen this, the oil is going to come out, so make sure you have a rag down there. But we'll go ahead and loosen those up, and we'll take out our oil filter, and then we'll make sure we put our gaskets and stuff back where it needs to be. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so we got our oil filter out. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty compared to the new one. But with this oil change kit, it comes with 3 quarts of oil, CFMoto, so goes right into the CFMoto machine. Got a little rag, a little funnel, some gloves, everything you can want, stickers. For the oil filter, you will notice on our cap there's a black O-ring. Obviously the new kit has that. It has this copper washer. This is for our drain bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out our new washers, clean it up, and put it right back in. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so we've got our O-ring on our oil filter cap. So when we reinstall this oil filter, the black hollow side will go into the engine itself, while this flat part will stick on the outside. So we'll go ahead and put this oil filter in there. We'll go ahead and put our oil cap on and just hand tighten your bolts just to hold it, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the drain plug. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so once you finger tighten those 3 bolts, you're going to go ahead and tighten those down in a crisscross pattern sequence to 70 inch-pounds. Once we get that done, our oil filter is complete. We'll get up underneath the vehicle again, and we'll go ahead and install our drain plug, and we'll finger tighten that, and then we'll go ahead and torque that down. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, real quickly, before we install the drain plug, there is a copper washer on here. In our new kit, we get a new one, so go ahead and swap those out. We'll go ahead, put this underneath, finger tighten it, and we're going to tighten it down to, we're going to torque it down to 19 foot-pounds. So once you finger tighten it, torque it down to 19 foot-pounds. Once that is complete, we can go ahead and start filling her up. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so we filled it up, we ran it for a minute, we checked the level, we are good to go. I look under here, I don't see any leaks, so we should be good. So ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's video on the CFMoto Z-Force oil change. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. I know it did for me. There's not a lot of videos out there, at least on the Z-Forces. I know they're all kind of the U-Forces and C-Forces. They're all kind of the same. Figured I would make this video for you guys. So yeah, pretty simple process. I'll leave the link in the description for the oil change kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like. If you have not already, subscribe to Quad Boss Elite, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.